Hi, so today we're going to talk about how to create a landing page, how to create tags, how to assign specific tags to this landing page, and how to automate our emails for the people who are signing up to our landing page. And we're going to create this for a Black Friday offer, a specific offer that we have. So I'm going to share my screen and we will start. So when you could go to Mailchimp, you're on your left side, you will see all the control panel, all the icons, and you're gonna click on audience, and then you will see tags. And we're going to say create a tag. So for this class, we are talking about a Black Friday promotion, and let's talk about let's tag the people who want to sign up for this promotion. Black Friday freebie download and create. Now I have a Black Friday freebie download tag. So this is going to be assigned to that landing page. Now we're going to make our landing page. So on the left side again, click on create and a landing page. And I am going to name it Black Friday offer, because that is the reason why we're making this landing page, to promote our Black Friday offer. So it's going to take you to this select template screen, and you can see for different purposes there are different templates for lead generation and for grow your list. Basically those are for you to collect emails, and accept payments is going to take you to a specific take your customer to a specific product page to pay for this product. I'm going to use this template for today. And while it's loading, on the right side, you will see again the panel in here. So I'm going to change this to my logo, because first I want my logo to be on top. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to click on this box and then go to replace. Now they came up with a creative assistant beta program, and I'm going to actually record how to use that in a different tutorial. So once we highlighted this box that we want to change, we're going to click on replace. I am going to use my logo there. Here, I'm going to give them my call to action. So I'm going to, again, highlight the box, and it's going to open up my text box here, and I'm going to type here. I'm not going to type here. I'm going to type here. So I'm going to say sign up to receive. Why can I not type? Okay. Receive free, what was this? Self-care journal. That's what we're offering them, right? I mean, on this one, you will see that in a second. So we basically gave them a call to action here. And again, on the next box, this is where you collect your emails of your customers. So again, you highlight that box, and we're going to make some changes because the default comes with the email address box, and I always like to add first name because I like to personalize my emails while I'm sending them. So I'm going to click on that box. It's going to give me, again, the sign up form where I can modify it. I'm going to click on the checkbox next to first name and required box. I will check that box off. So the first name will be also there. Now, if you want to collect phone numbers for text messaging, text marketing, you can click on phone number and that will create another line for you, but I'm not doing that right now. So just the first name and the email address is enough. And here, this is what we call a GDPR box. This is like it's telling the customer to select which option they want, almost like a free opt-in. So again, this box we highlighted, we're going to scroll down on the side. And here, I'm going to uncheck text because I'm not asking them to give me their text or their phone number. And I'm going to change the subscribe button to a sign up button. I don't want it to say subscribe. So I am again changing that to sign up. And here you see it starts saying sign up. Send to. After form is submitted, send visitors to. Confirmation message, yes. What are the other options? We could send them to another landing page. Like let's say it's a download or it's a product that we want them to purchase, we would put that. We would put that link, or if it's your web address, you could do that. However, we want to send them a confirmation message first because they need to opt in and verify their email address in order to receive our other emails. Hence the reason why we are doing this sign up sheet. And okay, here I want to replace this with my offer picture, and I'll click on replace and upload. I'm going to select the picture I want to upload. Here we go from my computer. And here, this looks very large. So we're going to make this smaller by minimizing the image display size on the right side. That's more tasteful, huh? Maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, that's more tasteful. So I'm going to just get rid of all of these boxes down below for the sake of making the video shorter. So I'm going to just delete them, highlight the box, and click on the garbage button. Delete, and it's going to ask you to confirm each time, which is a good thing so that you're not accidentally deleting things. And remove, and delete. Ooh, bunch of boxes. So if you wanted to add anything else, obviously, you wouldn't delete them all. You would make the changes, but I want this to be pretty short and precise. I mean, short and to the point. So, and then I'm going to click on this garbage button to get rid of that background in the bottom. Again, oh, there's a bunch of squares, huh? Deleting all of these. We don't need an additional subscribe button. Make sure it's all cleaned up. If you're deleting other stuff, make sure it's all cleaned up. When I first used this, I had all kinds of irrelevant stuff at the bottom for the template because I had only changed the top part of it. So don't do that because it won't look good. So, but I want this picture to be on top because if you come to my, let's preview this. On the right top corner, you'll see preview button. Click on that. And it will show you what it's going to look like. So now if I receive this, it's not that visual. I need to, well, sign up to receive a free self-care journal. By the way, that's a typo, so we'll fix that. But I don't want to do that, right? So I am going to, well, we didn't save these, so we're going to have to go back and save. That's why it's very important that you preview your offer. But we're going to put the picture on top, basically. So let's go back and clean it up. Got out of the preview screen, and I'm going to change that, this, that. Okay. Oh, all right. Save and close. It already saved our changes. It just didn't reflect to our preview. So we made sure to save that and save this. Okay, so how are we going to put this picture on top? When we highlight this box for the picture, you will see the arrows here on the left top corner of that box. And it says drag to reorder. So you're going to basically drag it to where you want it to be. There it is. This is an extra section, it looks like, so we'll get rid of it. Oh, sorry, I put my logo all the way in the bottom, so I'm going to reorder that. It's going to work. Here we go. All right, so my logo, my picture, my call to action, my form to sign up, and it looks good. I'm going to say save and close. I'm going to preview it one more time just to make sure. Again, as soon as this pops up, now you know what this is for, right? Because you have a picture, you have a visual of understanding at least the niche. And I'm going to scroll down. So this is where they put their email address. All right, it looks good so far. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to go for publishing. So let's say save and close. We are satisfied with our content for our Black Friday offer. That's the page title. And then you will see the URL, which you can change this URL. You can adjust it if you use the paid version of Mailchimp. I don't see it necessary myself, or at least not yet. But you may want to do that later on. So when you go down to audience and tag, this is the most important part because this is where we're going to add the tag. So we're going to click on edit audience. My audience name is KarmaDNA. All right. Tags. Contacts who sign up will be tagged automatically. This is what we want, right? So we're going to click on that plus sign. All right. We don't want them to be tagged as all subscribers. Why not? Because we want to know which specific offer we signed up for. So yes, this is one offer we have, but later on we'll have a Christmas offer, we'll have a New Year offer, we'll have a Valentine's offer, we'll have a Mother's Day offer, what have you, or we'll have our seasonal sales. So those are all gonna have their own specific landing pages, and they're gonna be assigned to a specific tag for that landing page. So for this one, we created the Black Friday freebie download, I believe, yes. If not, the other Black Friday is the test one, so it would be still relevant. But anyway, so anybody who signed up to this landing page is now going to be tagged as Black Friday freebie download. And I'm going to save this. Content, we already said we're happy with our content. And we are going to publish. It's a home run, yes. So here you'll see the URL. We'll click on it and look at it, but also you can share it on Facebook or Twitter. I prefer to just copy and paste the link on Facebook and Twitter and add my own picture to it, because sometimes if you just click on share it from here, it just shares the link and it doesn't give a good visual. So when I click on this link, here is my published self-care journal giveaway for my Black Friday promotion. So I am going to close this, and we're going to move on to automating our email now, because now these people who are tagged for this promotion, they are going to expect to have their link or download, correct? So we're going to create that now. So we're going to go to the left side of the Mailchimp again and click on automation. Here's your customer journey screen, and you're going to click on create on the right top corner. Customer journey, this is a feature for the paid accounts again, and here is classic automations. That's what we're going to use, and this is enough for what we need. So there are different, again, you can use any of these you want. These are different templates for different reasons. We are going to use email subscribers when they are tagged. So now for this step, let's think about it this way. When you go to your campaigns, you're going to see the landing page as a separate campaign, and you're going to see this as a separate campaign. Now, this is what customer journey does. If you were to have the paid option for Mailchimp, you would be able to combine them all. But here we are just doing a two-step basically, which we are creating a new campaign so that whenever we add the tag Black Friday freebie download to an audience, either through signing up through our landing page or us putting it in manually, they will receive this email. So this is what this campaign is for. And I'm going to name this campaign as send, I wish I could type, send self-care journal. That's the name of the campaign because that's exactly what we're going to do. Click on begin. Wait for it to load. So, audience name. This is how many audience we have. Design email. Before we design our email, let's make sure we're attaching our tag. So, tag the content. Trigger one day. Okay, so here, please select a tag. We're going to click on edit. We don't want to wait for a day. Don't make your clients wait that long unless you have to. But here you can use the immediate option, and immediately it's going to tag your people. Click on select a tag. Immediately send this email to people who are tagged Black Friday freebie download. So again, we prompted Mailchimp whenever we tag someone as Black Friday freebie download, immediately we're going to say update trigger. So you see now, make sure to double check it. Immediately after a tag is added to the contact, Black Friday freebie download. So now we're going to design the email that is going to be sent to people who are interested in our freebie. Name your email, tag title. No, our email is, let's say Black Friday freebie. Black Friday freebie email. All right, so this is for testing purposes, so it doesn't matter. Email subject, this is what your audience will see. So let's say here is the link to your, or let's say here is your free self-care journal. Preview text. Click on the link to receive your download. All right, so from name, KarmaDNA newsletter, you can change this if you want to. And from email address, if you have different email addresses that you sync with Mailchimp, you can again change that. And if you want, you can put your Google Analytics number. which I recommend. Since this is a test one, I'm not going to do that, but you would change it here, and you're going to click on next. So we are going to select a template for, I think, oh yeah, these two are free. The other ones are for upgraded. These two are more than enough. Or you can use these two. So I'm going to use the basic one with one column. No need to confuse our people. All right, so now we have, oh, this is not my logo anymore. So let's change that. Okay, so this is the email that they're gonna receive. If I want to put my image, my logo here, or I mean, the image, they gotta know what they're receiving, right? So I'm gonna drag this here to add another box, click on it, upload an image. I want them to have a reminder of what they are receiving or what they signed up for, per se. So I'm going to click on the picture. I'm going to say insert, and that's going to insert my image. Let's make this a little smaller. And here we are going to click on this box to change the text. Click on the link to download your free journal. Oh. Okay. And here, basically, I'm going to write blah, 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 blah. And I'm going to give them the link I want to give them. This could be the link that your download is housed. This could be a link of your offer, whatever. So I'm going to put this link. Make sure to highlight this and select this link button so that it actually creates a link for it. Otherwise, the people who receive your email may not be able to click on this link. So, and then we'll say insert. Now you see it is highlighted, so it is a clickable URL. Save and close. We already save and close just to make sure. Here again, make sure to change all of these. So I don't want to use my Twitter. I want to give my Facebook group link, workshop KarmaDNA website, my website address. Again, here you can give the link to your landing page. It could be your main landing page. And I don't want to add anything else. Here, again, change your details. Don't leave it like that, just like that. So make sure to change all of this information, edit it, put your company name here. 2020 KarmaDNA LLC. All rights reserved. I don't know that. Put your mailing address. Save and close. Make sure you save and close each box after you make the changes. And then what are we going to do? We are going to preview. So on top, you'll see preview and test. Enter preview mode. Let's see what it looks like. So everybody who signs up to our landing page to receive a self-care journal for our Black Friday offer will be tagged specifically for this offer. And those people who are tagged for the specific offer will receive this email with a link or a download or whatever information that email needs to give them so that they can receive what they want. So again, basically what did we do? We targeted our audience. Okay, so if you enable live merge tag info, this is going to customize things for you. But anyway, it looks good. So we're going to click on next. Audience, you'll be sending it to KarmaDNA. Tracking, this is if we edited tracking, if we entered our Facebook pixel or Google Analytics and such. Emails, this is it. So now we're going to click on confirm workflow details. And once everything is good, we're going to start sending. You're about to start this workflow, which contains one email to KarmaDNA. I wonder who that person is, which is probably me. It's going to send me an email. Rock on, you've started an automation. So then you can test this with another email. Now, when you go back to your campaign, click on your campaigns. And you will see send self-care journal. This has a different icon, and then Black Friday offer. Published, sending. You see? So this is your landing page. You can click on this link and go there. And once people sign up, you can put your email, another email to test it there. Once you sign up to that, then this will be sent to you because you will be tagged as the Black Friday offer. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.